Good morning, traders. David here from Daily Forecast. It is Wednesday, the 12th of April, and we're here to do our usual updates for Brent, for Crude, for Bitcoin, and for Euro. In front of us, we've got the daily chart for Brent oil, and you can see price is still hovering around the same sideways area that we've been in for several days. Price needs to break the 8600 level to open the upside and move higher. If price rallies and takes out the A resistance high, then we start an inverse head and shoulders pattern on this time frame. If price turns around and falls and we close the actual gap, then that would be a normal 786/86 entry on the AB bearish swing. Okay. 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we're also still sideways. Price bounced out of the bottom of that range yesterday, and now we can see that we're back on top. We need to break 8600, like I said, to open the upside and give us a new AB swing. This will then become the new A low, and we'll then wait for a new B to form. Okay. If price reverses from current levels or just pops up and comes right back into the swing, then we are looking for the bottom of the range again. The 1-hour chart, if I blow this up a little, you will see that if I blow this up a little, then sorry, let me just try and get this right. Okay. Then you'll see that this is our AB swing over there. And you can see price came to the 86 yesterday, and now we're at B failure area. Okay, we entered B failure area late yesterday afternoon in the US session. Our rule says that 86 will take price to the 118. So we're looking for price to exhaust itself roughly 86.40. We're looking for exhaustion at that level. However, if price does fail while inside 8600, while inside the B high, if price does fail, then a B failure with a prior 86 bounce leads us to believe we're going to take out the A low. We came fairly close yesterday, and because we came fairly close yesterday and price bounced strongly out of that area, I'm more prone to the upside. So even if we do get a BF786 trade here, I'd be wary when price comes to the 86 of this swing. I'm not the 86, the 618 of the swing. Okay, if we then draw fibs from this low to this high, and we get to that 618 area, I'd be wary and I'd watch for support at that point, simply because of the huge strong bounce. So we might just get a test of that today, and price might rally on up. Obviously, it's clean if price just rallies and takes out the actual B high, then this becomes a new A. Okay, so the scenarios and the scenarios here for today is price rallies and takes out the actual B high. This becomes the new A. If we get a B failure 786 trade, then I'd be wary of this. Let me just draw that in for you. Then I'd be wary of the 618. And I'm saying that because a B failure with a prior 86 bounce leads us to believe we're going to take out the A low. But because of yesterday's rally and there wasn't ever a retracement, I'd look for price to find support roughly at 84.50 if price does fall. If it doesn't fall, there's no trade. If it rallies, there's no trade, because then we have to wait for a B. But if it does fall there and there is a trade opportunity, be wary of 84.80, 84.50. Okay. So on the 4-hour chart, you can see we're still in our bullish AB swing. You can see prices also largely still sideways. Our B high is at 81.78. You can see that price came to 81.70. Okay, we need to break this B high for us to get a new AB swing. This will then become the new A low. We'll then have to wait for the B high to form. If price reverses from current levels or just pops out and comes back into the range, then we will look for the bottom of these ranges again, because we are still sideways. The 1-hour chart is exactly the same. If I scrunch it up a little, you'll see it's exactly the same. There's our A low, there's our B high. Notice that the 1-hour chart on crude oil is different to the 1-hour chart on Brent. Okay. Euro daily, we're still in the bullish AB swing. Okay, there's the A low, there's the B high. We had a bearish engulfing candle at the BF786, and we said that we could be getting a test of that. You can see that price has sort of tested it. We're in that area. We could most likely fall from current levels. If price doesn't fall and rallies on up and takes out this B high, then this here becomes the new A support low. Okay. If we turn from current levels and we fall on a sustained basis, then a BF with a prior 86 bounce leads us to believe we're going to take out the A low over coming days. This is a daily chart. So let's see what happens there. 4-hour chart, we got a 5-hour bounce. We're in a bullish AB swing, A low, B high. We got a 5-hour bounce. We haven't hit BF 786 area as yet. We came just shy of it. We're at 37. We need to get up to 42. Okay. Once we get that BF 786 area and a BF with a 5-hour bounce, leads us to believe we're going to fall down to the 618. So let's see if that materializes today or not. 1-hour chart is exactly the same as the 4-hour chart. I'll scrunch it up a little. There's the A low, there's the B high, there's the 5-hour bounce I just mentioned on the 4-hour chart. Once we hit BF 786, then we could expect price to pull back to these fibs that we have just mentioned. They're not official trades because we trade the 5. We don't typically trade a 5-hour bounce. We'd be looking for the 618 first. Bitcoin on the daily, like I mentioned yesterday, price took out this B high, gave us a new B high. Gave us a new high. It's not officially a B high yet. We need 2 candles to the right. We don't have that as yet. Okay, so we'll carry on waiting for that to materialize. Okay guys, that's the forecast. It's brief today because nothing much has changed. We're still in those ranges. We have to wait. So on Brent and on crude, let's see if we do get BF 786 trades. If we do, we will look for support at the 50 or at the 618. If we take out those highs, then yes, we do have new AB swings in play. Okay, enjoy the trading day. We'll chat tomorrow. Cheers, bye.